Have you been wondering how to keep your clothes clean while traveling without a washing machine? Well, in this video, we're diving into the Scrubba Wash Bag, testing if it's truly the revolutionary travel wash solution they promise it to be. I'm Ben from Travels Unfiltered, and it's time to get into it. The Scrubba Wash Bag is the tiniest washing machine in the world and advertises itself as a must-have for every traveler and outdoor enthusiast, making it easy to keep your clothes clean no matter where your adventures take you. The Scrubba Wash Bag weighs in at around 150 grams and is 54 centimeters by 32 centimeters when laid flat, and a mere 16 centimeters by 6 by 6 centimeters when rolled up for storage, making the Scrubba extremely travel-friendly. Its lightweight and compact size isn't the only thing it offers. It's also designed to deliver a machine-quality wash with its internal, flexible washboard system that is powered by hundreds of Scrubba nobules. As avid travelers, we're always looking for new gadgets that will help streamline our travels, and we can confidently say that the Scrubba Wash Bag has done just that. For starters, it allows you to pack lighter, reducing the need for numerous outfit changes, and thereby dodging those pesky airline baggage fees. It's also great for budget-conscious travelers, as you save money on laundry expenses and conserve water, a precious commodity in many parts of the world. The Scrubba Wash Bag is great for travelers of all types: backpackers, campers, hikers, and even business travelers looking to keep their attire fresh on the go. Its unparalleled portability and efficiency make it perfect for use in remote locations, campsites, hostels, or even in the privacy of your own hotel room. Using the Scrubba Wash Bag is a breeze, designed to make laundry on the go both simple and efficient. Start by adding your clothes to the bag, then fill it with water up to the marked line and add a bit of laundry detergent. Seal the bag by rolling the top down 6 or 7 times and clip it shut. Next, expel the excess air by opening the new twist valve and turning it clockwise, ensuring a more compact and efficient wash environment. Rub your clothes against the internal washboard for a few minutes, leveraging the hundreds of internal nobules for a thorough clean. After washing, open the valve to release the soapy water, then rinse your clothes with fresh water inside the bag or under a tap. Finally, remove your clothes, wring them out, and hang them up to dry. With these simple steps, you'll have fresh, clean clothes ready to wear again in no time, making the Scrubba Wash Bag an indispensable tool for travelers seeking convenience and efficiency. Another great thing about this wash bag is that it also doubles as a dry bag, offering extra value while traveling. The Scrubba can protect your electronics, documents, or other essentials from water damage while you're on the move. Whether you're crossing rivers, facing downpours, or simply want to compartmentalize your gear, the Scrubba keeps your items dry and secure. Ready to revolutionize your travel laundry experience? Click the link in the description box of this video or scan the QR code on the screen to grab your Scrubba Wash Bag on Amazon today and make your next adventure cleaner and lighter. If you're planning your next adventure, then you need to check out our travel tips playlist. It has everything you need to know to make your vacation amazing, like the best booking hacks, must-have travel essentials, and much more. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and videos, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next time.